09 James here. I found this 1-inch impact wrench. It's a ingersoll ran 285B. I found it in a scrap pile. It was just sitting in there. I put some lube in here in the trigger, and then I checked the inside of here to make sure the pin was going getting lubed up in there. So I haven't tried it. I had it tilted over and some water came out. So I'm going ahead. I got my air compressor hooked up. I'm just going to shoot some air through there. Just put it in the topper there. Go ahead and take this back handle off. This is what the inside of it looked like. Kind of dirty. Okay, I got it torn apart. Just need to figure out. That's one set of bearings. And this takes two. No. Okay. Yeah, it just goes in there. The hammer, or whatever it's called. So all of it's in here, so I'll have to take that apart. Alrighty. I got the inside out right here. Just give it a tap with the hammer. Came out. That's where those things are. Now I just need to press this bearing off. I found out why it wasn't working. This piece here broke off, and I don't know if it could be welded back and then ground down. This is probably a really precise part. I was about to put it back together, and I was checking this one and see if I was looking at it real good and how this thing was sticking in here. And I noticed there was a piece lodged in there. turned out to be this piece here. So it took me a while, so I knocked it out. And right here is a scuff. Scuffed it pretty good. Well, it's not real good. It's, you can see it, you can feel it too. I can just sand it down. I don't know if this could be ordered, this piece here, or if I could weld that with a 7018 and then smooth it out. So it put me on hold for this. I got the kit for it. I went ahead and welded this here, the Anvil. I used as a 1/8 7018. Laid a couple of beads on here and I ground it down. So I'll probably go back through and put another bead in there and grind it down a little bit more. But I'm just going to go ahead and put it back together. I did go ahead and put it back, everything back together. I changed out everything in here, the spring and the ball. And this one, the spring and the ball on this side here where the trigger is. And I put the rubber piece back on. And the O-rings on this one. And I changed out the tip and the anvil. Put that new spring in there with the O-ring in there also. So this is a new, just to modify, just put it in there just to see if it, I did order one of these already. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it back together and leave it as that for now. So there it is. It's all completed. It's the Ingersoll RAN 285B-6. I don't know if my compressor is strong enough to give it a few rotations. Take it to my work and give it a test run over there. But I'll go ahead and update it when I get this part, the anvil. That's on order right now. Alrighty, thanks a lot.